Hello friends, my last video was about primary colors and the cool and the warm temperatures that affect the different results. If you want to have a look to this video, I will surely link it in the description so you can take a look and understand the concept. Today we are going to learn on how to make washes, plain clear washes without any cauliflowers is what they call. So let's go ahead. For that we will need a paper, 100% cotton paper, a washi tape like that, and of course few handy brushes. Okay, so the link to all my art supplies will be in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. I'm going to tape this in two parts. We're going to make sure that all the edges are secured and so that the color doesn't seep in through, right? Just plain water wash. Okay, this will make your washes very simple and you will see the magic in no time. Like, you will face no difficulty. Make sure that you are not over watering, and at the same time make sure that it's not underwater. You have covered all the areas well, right? Taking some puddle of blue from my previous colors right there. As we all know that the watercolors dry and give us much expected lighter results, so we can go back and give another layer. But for now we have to make sure that you start from the top and go down slowly like that. And for a second layer we keep adding more towards the top and keep the bottom layer a little lighter to create that gradient effect, right? We'll do the exact same thing. First, give it a nice wash with a plain water. Make sure that we have covered all the areas. Let's say start with orange and work our way almost until the middle of the area that we have marked, and then take some red on the same brush, of course after washing though, and then start from the bottom and work our way upwards towards the orange until a point where we are able to blend orange and red into each other. Okay, like so. Now this is what I was talking about. Make sure this happens when there is extra water left. Okay, so make sure in this case you remove the extra water from your brush and give it one more wash so that you have a nice even layer of these colors. Okay, all right, we are at the stage where this both my sides of the washes are dry, and we are going ahead and giving it another wash. I'm again using the same technique, giving it a nice wash with plain water first, and then going ahead and taking some blue color on the same brush starting from top. And this time I think I'm going to go a little, I'll take some more pigment of blue so that I can achieve my results more quickly. So took a darker, more pigmented and not a watery blue. Go all the way and make sure you complete the layer. For the other side, again I'm going to repeat the exact same steps, giving it a good wash with the plain water. First, making sure I'm covering each and okay, and I'll pick up the exact same colors again, taking some orange, starting from top, and look how vibrant it looks with the second layer. I'll stop midway, like with the first layer, and took some cool red and started from the bottom, working my way upward like that. And let's try and remove this carefully now that our paper is dry. Beautiful. Follow this little tips and tricks, as in number 1, choosing the right paper. Number 2, make sure that you give a plain wash first, and then you can do the same wash along with some whatever tint you want, whatever color you want, right? So if you do that, it will sure give you this result. I'm going to slowly build the basics for everyone, so stay tuned for it, and hoping to see you next Monday with another nice tip and videos to share.